Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need our assistance to format and publish your blog post, we can do it perfectly for you. Just contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can add notice box for your WordPress website. For this, I need to install a plugin. I am going to plugin section. I am clicking on add new plugin. After that, search here with affiliate X. This is the plugin. I already installed and activated this plugin, but for you have to install it first and activate. After that, I am going to all post section. I want to open this post in blog editor. Inside this post, I will add a notice box. I am adding notice box after this headline, so I gave enter. After that, click on this plus icon, add block. After clicking, search here with notice. Then you will find affiliate X notice block. Select this block. Your notice box is already displaying here. Now I am saving this post. View this post. Okay, let's check how this notification box displaying. This is the notice box and it's displaying with this color and text. Let me guide you how you can customize these things. I am selecting this block. After that, in the corner, I will select this block icon notice. After selecting, if I come to the right side, then you see this block section is enabled. If it's not enabled, you have to click on this block section. Then below you will find all of the settings and customization option. First option is layout settings. If I click on this right arrow, then here has a option. It's layout 1. By default, it's displaying here. If I click, then I will get layout 2, and next option is layout 3. Which one you like, you may use. I am going to select layout 1. After that, come to the next option. That's the general settings. I am clicking on the right side arrow icon. I will find the box border settings. Here is the color option and here is the style option. But right now box border is not displaying here because border width is 0 by default. If I give it 2 pixel all of the side, then I can get the box border color. You see right now it's displaying the color. If you want, you can change the color. For example, I want to give this color or this color. Now it's displaying. And border style is just line. If you wish, you can make it dash or dot. Even you can make it none. I am giving the line border. That looks perfect. Next option is border radius. This is the option. I can add at the top 10 pixel. You see it's 10 pixel. Right 10 pixel. It's getting right side 10 pixel. By following the same way, you can add bottom, left and right border radius. Next option is box shadow. By default, they gave the initial color. You can change the color. Next option is notice settings. If I click on this right arrow of the notice settings, first option is heading tag. That means this heading tag, how you want to mark. It's like H2, H3, H4, H5 or H6. Which one you like, you may select. And what would be the heading title? By default, they gave the notice as a title name. You can change it like title of notice. Whatever you will write here, it will display here. Next option is title alignment. By default, it's on the align left. I can select align center or align right, but align left is standard. Show title icon. By default, it's enabled. If I want to disable, just deselect it, it will disable. But icon enabling is the perfect. Even you can change the icon. For example, I want to change the notice icon to another icon. Just click on that icon. This notice icon will change. Even you can increase or decrease the notice icon size. By default it's 17 pixel, but if I want I can make it 18, 20, 30, whatever you wish you can change. I'm going back with default 17 pixel. Next is content type. By default it's list, but if you wish you can make it paragraph, then this content will be paragraph. If you want list, it will be list. You can write anything like list 1. If you give enter, another icon automatically will set on the left. You can write list 2, list 3, whatever, just give enter, it will automatically add your chosen icon. Next is text alignment. By default it's align left. If you wish you can make it align center or right. Align left is perfect. Next is list type. It's unordered. If you wish you can make it ordered. If I select on ordered, then it will display like this. It will display 1, 2, 3. I am again selecting unordered. Next come to the show icon or show bullet. By default it's show icon selected. If you wish you can make it show bullet, then it will be bullet here, but I think icon is the perfect. Even if you wish you can change the icon. Right now this is the icon and I want to make this as icon, so it's displaying this now, so you can change it. Next option is color. First option is title color. It's white color. If you wish you can make it black or any other color, but white is the perfect. Next option is title background color. It's the green color by default. If you wish you can make it any other color also. Now come to the next color option. There's the content color. By default is the black color. If you want to change it to another color, just click and select that color, then color will change. Next is content background type. It's the solid color and white. If you want to change it, you can change. You can select any other color, but I think white was the perfect. Again I am selecting white. List icon color. By default is the green color. If you want you can change it to any other color. Now come to the typography settings. If I open this right side arrow icon, first option is title typography, and inside this box first is font family. If you want to change the font family, just click here and you will get lots of font. You can select your desired font. If you want to change the font size, you can click here and you can change the font size, line height, letter spacing. And next option is font weight. By default it's the regular. If you click here you can make it medium, semi bold, bold, whatever you wish you can make. Next come to the content typography. That means here what content we are writing or displaying, that content typography settings. Same as the title typography, you can just click and watch how you can change it. Next option is spacing. If I click on the right arrow icon of the spacing, I can add the margin from top, right, bottom, left. Already they gave 30 pixel bottom margin. If you wish you can increase or decrease this margin. Next is title padding. Top they gave 10 pixel, right side 15, bottom 10 and left 15. Same, you can customize it. And content also has the padding. You can check one by one and you can change it as per your need. Now is the final option. There's the advanced option. If you want to add any custom CSS, then you have to mention that CSS class name here and you can change this notice box design as per your need. And I am going to give save. After that I am going to give a refresh here and let's see how it's displaying. It's displaying like this. I believe after watching this tutorial now you can easily create this type of notice box for your WordPress website, affiliate website, I mean any types of WordPress blog. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting and publishing, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.